Hi, welcome to Paper Cut Crafts. Today we're going to make this card. It's just a quick card, and we're using the Peaceful Poppy elements. And these are the different elements that come in the kit. It comes with all these papers, and it's all in one kit, and it's all in the mini catalog. So these poppies, the vellum, the border piece, those are all in one kit. Now this is from the die set Painted Labels, and it is also in the mini catalog. I'll be using this stamp as well, and it is from the Painted Poppies stamp set. And this is all in a suit. You can get it all together. I'm also using the Real Red. This is an older stamp or ink, but it is still a current color. And I'm just going to stamp this across my Whisper White cardstock. And this is just going to serve as like a background. Now here I'm just using some double-sided tape, but we have snail. I just ran out recently. Haven't been able to replenish my supply. So I'm just going to put some adhesive on the back of this piece. And you just have to snip off the end just a little bit, just a little long. And then some more adhesive for this die cut piece. I'm putting this off center slightly. Now I'm just going to use some mini glue dots to attach the vellum poppy piece. Just putting one on the stem, and I'm going to cover that up since the glue dots do show through the vellum. I'm going to cover that up with this die cut piece. This is, like I said, part of that Elements kit. I'm going to use some mini dimensionals to lift this off the card just slightly, and positioning it to hide that glue dot on the vellum. Once I got all that down, I'm going to adhere this to my card base, which is a basic black. I eyeball a lot of my stuff now, but you just center it right onto that card. And there's your finished card. Nice, quick, easy, and very simple. Leave a thumbs up.